Senator Frank Blas was the only lawmaker present for much of his public hearing on Resolution 36. This legislation asked the federal government for reimbursements of compact impact funding for Guam. This idea is based on the increased demands of educational and social services used by island immigrants from the freely associated states of Micronesia. Jose Chargaloff was one of those that supported Blas's resolution. He says that it's time for the federal government to pay what it owes.
We continue to try to put things into a bucket that doesn't fit anymore, and we continue to try to buy things that we cannot afford. And at this time, I think it's very appropriate that you stand up for what has been duly owed Guam.
While Chargaloff and many others supported Blas's resolution, island resident Paul Zerzan thought the opposite. He feels that it's not the federal government's responsibility to take care of people who move to Guam from this region.
These people are a blessing and not a burden. They live in Guam. They are now Guamanians. This racist attempt to scapegoat the indigenous people of Micronesia for the financial irresponsibility of Guam's ruling elite must stop.
However, Bureau of Statistics and Plans Director Tony Lamorena says the issue with compact impact funds is not racist. What he does say is that based on the recent compact impact survey, the FSM community is quickly growing on island. Right now, it's about 11% of Guam's population. And while he acknowledges that the people from Guam's outer island community contribute and give back to the local community, he thinks asking for reimbursements from the federal government would be difficult.
To move going backwards, to retroactively get reimbursements is going to be much more difficult. I think we need to concentrate moving forward and then increase that $30 million to what is due to the 4 jurisdictions.